Hi, this is Doug and Cindy with Legal Brief. Welcome to the program today. Today the question is, let me read it, it's a good one. Who pays during the Medicaid penalty period? Well, let's start with the obvious. What is a penalty period?
Okay, if you've applied for Medicaid to help pay for long-term care in a nursing home, you may incur a penalty period if you have made a transfer, an uncompensated transfer, given something away, sold something for less than fair market value. There are different reasons for incurring a penalty period, but it is a period of time that is calculated that Medicaid will not pay for your care because of a specific reason. Typically, what we see is transfers. Somebody has taken some money or given money away, given a vehicle away, given land away, and they create this penalty period. So Medicaid will not pay during that penalty period.
So, the next question, they just asked one, but I've got one now.
Okay.
So, if Medicaid is not paying, somebody's got to pay, right?
Somebody's got to pay.
So, if Medicaid's not paying, who would pay?
Okay, if you've been admitted to a nursing home, you've agreed to pay them for caring for you. So either you have to come up with money, and typically if you're applying for Medicaid, you no longer have money in your name, so it may not be you that pays for it. So maybe you have an adult child who has taken some of the money, or you've given land to, or you have a sibling or a cousin. Somebody has to pay for your care because
During the penalty period. Because Medicaid's saying we ain't going to pay during this period of time.
Right. And the nursing home wants to be paid.
They want to be paid.
Because Medicaid's not going to pay during this time because you have a penalty period. So somebody has to come up with the money.
And so if the state's saying we're not going to pay, at least during this period of time, and the kids, do they have to pay? Usually not. And you said mom had already spent down, so she may be broke, so she can't pay. So the state won't pay, the kids don't technically have to pay, and mom can't pay. So who's going to pay? Well, that's a good question. Maybe nobody, and if nobody pays, the nursing home says, take mom home, and sometimes that's what happens. So they have to pull mom out of the nursing home, and if there's a 4-month penalty period, where does mom stay during those 4 months? Well, maybe one of the back bedroom at the kid's house. And is this a good idea? Maybe, maybe not. Maybe mom needs care during that period of time. But we see this happen often where there is a penalty period and nobody can pay. Sometimes if money's been transferred to the kids, like Cindy said, the kids have got money and they can pay it back and cover this penalty period. But somebody's got to pay during the penalty period. It's just not going to be the state during this period of time. Now, after the penalty period, after the penalty's over, Medicaid will kick in, Medicaid vendor will open, and Medicaid will start paying. So hopefully this information is valuable to you. Thanks for joining us on ELP Brief. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, and click on that little notification bell to be notified the next time we do a video.
And if you want to interact with us, check out the description below and leave us a comment and let us know what legal or caregiver topics you'd like to hear about.